This is the Bosch 300 series condensing dryer. Very popular units when exterior venting is not available. Couple things on a condensing dryer that people don't realize or don't know what to expect. One, they aren't going to bake your clothes like a traditional dryer. This is designed to preserve the integrity of your fabric. It's not designed to shrink your fabric, over bake it with high temperatures. You will have a little bit of moisture, designed to be maintained on cuffs, collars, waistbands, on slacks. That is not unusual. Around pockets, it's designed to prevent shrinking. So when you realize how the product will affect your clothes, it becomes a lot easier to realize what this can do. So in using the product, you need to select what fabric you've got inside coming from the washer, okay? So if you've got cottons, so that would be like t-shirts or sweatpants, anything that you need a little bit more drying. You've got the extra dry, bulkier items. I shouldn't say t-shirts, I should say more like the sweatpants, sweatshirts, bulkier things, okay? And then you do have like towels and other items. Jeans are separate, okay? And then everything gets pre-selected for you, and then you can hit start or you can hit pause to pause the dryer and pull things out or do any adjustments that you may need. There is adjustments that you can do, like a specific dry time. You can have it finish in a specific amount of time added to the control board. And then you can select dry level on certain cycles. So there is the ability to kind of micromanage a load. Now, inside, anything that comes out of the Bosch washer is designed to fit into the dryer. So this is a pretty large capacity for a compact washer. So anything coming out of your Bosch washer will fit in here, no problem. Lint filter is here in the front, okay? You do want to make sure that you clean this after every load, and it's a clam shell type filter, so it just pulls apart, okay? And then the other thing that has to be maintained is there is another filter that is down here, the bottom left. This typically gets cleaned every month. And as I get down a little bit lower, so this will come off, and then you just slide this out, and this is another filter. So this is designed to capture any lint that has been bypassed through our lint filter. Now, this is important to maintain and clean, because otherwise you're going to find that the dryer is not going to work properly, and eventually it's going to cause service issues. So it's pretty easy to clean out. Just take that over to the sink, rinse that out, and then that'll just slide right back in. And then this slips back over and then just locks into place. If you have any other questions, go to donsappliances.com, and thank you as always for watching our videos.